Hello, welcome back. Now I'm showing how to download podman desktop and how we can able to install in our laptop. Okay, see now here you can see this, right? What is the podman will be useful for containers and to build that containers and all. Previously we have seen docker desktop, right? Same thing like this, we have podman desktop. If you click on this, it will, this is the thing. Okay, this is the website. If you want to go here, you can download it. See this one, you can download it here. Fine, once downloaded, it will pop up. Yeah, some security, let me unverified. Yeah, oh, already I downloaded. Let me go here, it is downloading. It will take some time. Yeah, allow access. See here, you can do whatever you want. You can use podman and start onboarding. See, whatever you want, you can do that. In coming video, I'll show you how to pull this everything. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.